Hi everyone. Today I will discuss an outstanding compliance and risk management transformative driven by cutting edge advancements in GenAI. So as we navigate the rapidly evolving landscape of technology and finance, we must acknowledge and leverage the power of GenAI to redefine and enhance our approach to these critical areas, especially within the banking and the wealth management sectors. So in a rapidly evolving digital landscape, the efficient processing of vast amount of information has become a challenging and a critical necessity. So as we delve into this era, marked by technological advancements, the role of advanced algorithms and cutting-edge technologies is managing data streams effectively has never been more pivotal. So it's imperative for businesses aiming to stay competitive to harness the power of data analytics and AI. So these tools are no longer mere options, but the fundamental necessities that drive innovation and strategic decision making. So today I am excited to introduce you to a groundbreaking development by Xenonstack, that's Inside GA tool. So this cutting edge approach is the realm of generative AI, is poised to revolutionize our approach to information interaction and processing. So Inside GA allows users to upload extensive documents and extract critical information in a user-friendly way. So it transforms the landscape of data analysis as we know it. However, the Inside GA is more than just a tool. It signifies a paradigm shift in the synthesis of information. So by leveraging the advanced capabilities of GenAI, users can extract complex questions and receive detailed synthesized answers. So this process involves a deep analysis and comprehension of extensive documents and unstructured data that allow us to unearth previously hidden insights that are too labor intensive to discover otherwise. Moreover, Inside GA enhances our ability to interpret and analyze information through graphical data representation. So it keeps us informed about the latest policy changes and ensures the smooth operations of activities across various sectors. So imagine the possibilities of delving into the subjects within the prerequisite of manually sifting through each piece of available information. So Inside GA make this a reality by analyzing extensive data, identify patterns and extracting relevant information to craft coherent and insightful responses. So this methodology promotes a deeper understanding and gives user a more nuanced perspective on the topic of interest. So one of the most remarkable feature of Inside GA is its versatility across numerous domains, whether for legal research, medical inquiries, market analysis or educational material. So Inside GA is set to redefine how we access and interpret information. So its utility is essentially pronounced in sectors where staying ahead of the latest research and data is essential, yet daunting due to the sheer volume of information. So our next automation is related to the process automation. So automating manual processes through GenAI is not just a convenience, it's a necessity for operational efficiency. So it reduces the risk of human errors and allows us to allocate our most precious resources, that is human creativity and decision making, to where it's needed most. So from content generation to intricate process automation, GenAI understands specific requirements, conduct autonomous research and generate content or solution that meet our higher standards. So this level of process automation signifies enhances our efficiency, allow us to focus on the task that truly requires a human touch. So next advancement is related to the code acceleration. So code acceleration through GenAI is nothing short of revolutionizing in software development. So imagine the ease of understanding a project from Python 2 to Python 3 or integrating a new feature without writing the code from scratch. So this innovative tool not only translates and optimizes code but generates entirely new code based on specific parameters. So it drastically enhances the efficiency and speed of the development projects, which ensures compliance with current coding standards. So next one is wealth management. So integrating GenAI into wealth management is ushering a new era of financial services characterized by enhancing efficiency, accuracy and client satisfaction. So GenAI is setting a new standards in the sector by personalizing financial planning and portfolio management optimizing investment strategies, and improving risk management and assessment. Furthermore, AI-driven virtual assistant and autonomous compliance monitoring are streamlining client interaction and regulatory processes. That marks significantly strides towards a future where financial services are more tailored, responsive, and secure. So, in conclusion, the multifaceted role of Gen AI in compliance and risk management is undeniable transformative. So, as we harness its power across virtual expertise, power automation, code acceleration, and wealth management, we are not just keeping pace with technological advancement, we are setting the stage for a more efficient, innovative, and secure future. So, the journey ahead is promising, and together with Gen AI, we can look forward to reshape the landscape of compliance and risk management for the better. Thank you.